Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by opening Prime Video in a desktop browser and signing in. You want the video queued and paused. Once done, join a Discord voice channel from the desktop app because mobile sharing is limited. Make sure your browser's hardware acceleration is off if you tend to get a black screen. Now, position the browser window so you can select it. This first step gets the source ready and prevents DRM or acceleration problems before you try to stream. You now click Share Your Screen and pick the browser window or the specific tab that has Prime Video. Choose the tab when available because it can carry audio cleanly. Make sure to toggle the Include Audio option and set resolution and frame rate that match your upload capacity. If the video shows a black screen, stop, switch from tab to window capture, and restart the browser. This sequence helps bypass DRM and acceleration conflicts, so viewers see and hear the stream correctly. You press play and watch viewers' reactions. Ask someone to confirm video and audio quality immediately. If they report echo or feedback, put on headphones and lower system volume. Adjust Discord's input and output sliders until it's balanced. When the stream ends, stop sharing and close the tab. If you hit consistent black screens or muted audio, disable browser hardware acceleration, restart the browser. And as a final fix, consider routing Prime through OBS with a virtual audio.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.